Hold the bowl so it doesn't fall off. Who are you making eggs for?
For me. For me.
Who else eats the eggs?
Cade.
Cade? Who's Cade?
Done.
Who's Cade?
Cade is a boy.
Is he your boyfriend?
No, he's my friend now.
Is he a boy?
No.
What else are you going to do today?
Just try to turn it around and don't bend it. And just don't set it down.
Are we going to play outside?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
We're going to do and we're going to do some things. I'll play, do my pool, and in my swimming pool, and my tub.
Are you ready to eat breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure you got them mixed up good?
Yeah. Can I see the